Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you simple but efficient tool for students or people who are going through university and they have certain assignments to be submitted in a Word doc or something like that. So as we all know and we all accept that we use some kind of AI when we are writing our assignments to help us with content, also with citations, and AI makes it easier to help you get certain references from the research paper and you include it in your assignments. So this tool helps you convert the whole AI generated paragraph which is given to you by maybe Cloud, ChatGPT, Gemini, any AI model. It converts and paraphrases the whole paragraph. So why QuillBot is an important tool is because when you submit your assignment or a report in the university, there is always a software to check plagiarism and AI. So mostly the name of the software is Turnitin. So Turnitin checks the paraphrases or the copy material you have used in your report and flag it as plagiarized content. So to escape the plagiarism part, you can use paraphrasing from QuillBot and change your whole paragraph which is generated by AI. I'll just show you in quick steps how this works. So for example, I'll just ask ChatGPT to create a paragraph for me. So I'll just say create a paragraph on the topic of how AI is changing the healthcare system. So as you can see, I've used this ChatGPT model without fine tuning it about my topic. First, I've just randomly threw a prompt to ChatGPT to give me a paragraph. So, and just click on the paraphrase button. It will completely paraphrase the whole paragraph into something that makes it look a more human like. So what I mean to say is it will paraphrase the whole paragraph into something that a human has written this. You can also change the mode to humanize to rewrite the text in a more human or authentic way. But to use all these features, maybe you can use fluency, but let me check. Yeah, so you can use two modes here, the standard mode and fluency mode. If you want to use this, humanize and other modes, you have to subscribe to a premium plan or else you can just use these two modes. So this is quite effective while you're making your reports and assignment, as I have also used this in my master's degree when I was completing my degree and I successfully graduated a few months back. I've used this tool to paraphrase some of my content which I get from AI, which I use in my reports and assignments, and this works pretty well. I submitted my assignments on Turnitin and plagiarism checking softwares, and there was no plagiarized content in my reports as I've carefully paraphrased it. So this is like the first step to convert the AI content which is given to you, and then you can just also edit the words which are given over here by clicking on this. So on QuillBot there is paraphraser, there is also grammar checker, AI detector, plagiarism checker. This works as a like a basic tool for helping you realize how much plagiarism there is in your content in your report or assignment which you are going to submit. And there are other different tools over here, but the main thing which I have used in all of my reports and assignment is to paraphrase some of the sentences, and this works flawlessly. There are already more than 5 million users who have used this, and has given a rating of 4.7 out of 5, which is really pretty good. And one more awesome thing about this app is that you can use this as a Chrome extension. As you can see over here, you can add it to Chrome as an extension, and it works perfectly flawless. So check this out. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used it and give a review. And also like the video and subscribe to my channel to be updated on further AI tools which I will be covering in my next videos. Thank you. Have a good day.